Alright everybody, new whip alert. You know what time it is. I have here a 2004 Lexus ES300. In my previous video, I have owned a 97 Lexus ES300. I've sold that, I've sold that car in March. Reason due to it that it's been giving me electrical issues. The car has been shutting off on me while driving, especially at the highway. I've changed the battery, I've changed the alternator, battery terminals, and the car still kept on shutting off on me. I found out what the problem was the week before I sold my car. That was a bad ground to the alternator. Somewhere the wire was corroded. Now back to this baby. Originally, I had an option to buy this car before. I just wasn't a big fan of it, but now, especially with the wheels I got on here, it's pretty sharp. I find the front end kind of looks like a early 2000s Mercedes-Benz CLS, especially from this angle. And the back, well, the back kind of looks like a mix between a Corolla and a Camry, but I could live with that. Now, why would you want a Lexus? Well, let me show you. The interior and what quality of these vehicles are second to none. You got memory seats, you got the wood grain on each door panel, you got chrome door handles on the inside and outside, all automatic windows, a little pouch for your pockets. RIP the GOAT, you don't know. Yeah, the build quality in these things, second to none, second to none. Plus, it's built by Toyota, so you know you could rack up the miles and not worry about going broke, because repairs won't be crazy expensive. Won't throw you off. Yep, it's the back seat, very roomy. This is the front seat right here, pushed all the way back. I'm still comfortable. Could do a road trip here and be fine. I got a cup holder and an armrest at the same time, or you can just lift that up and you can fit 3 people back here. Got a little vent for your heating and AC, and some map pockets. A little pocket thing here, but that's about it for the back seat. Automatic windows for the back as well. Why not? Luxury. You get a little ski hole. Open this. Pull this down. Get a little passageway through the trunk. Now, I'm not quite exact on the numbers of the horsepower, but this car has the same 3-liter V6 as my 97 had, but this car has variable valve timing. It's beautiful interior. Don't mind the little rash on the leather. This car rides like a charm. Little cup holder here. Got your nice gated shifter, little metal polish type thing. Press this button. The where sunshade goes up. Press it again. It goes down. Right here you got a little sunroof right here. It's on tilt right now. Push it once. Yep. Automatic. Push it again. 1 time. Shut. Push it again. Tilt it up. Got little buttons for your garage door, which I don't have an electric garage door. This for the lights. A little strange thing about here is in the previous car, the light will be built in here, but you have the switch here. So at a certain angle it shuts off, but once it's down it goes on. It's interesting. I don't really use it that much. I spend most of my time driving, so. Got the Lexus premium sound. It's pretty decent. I do find I have to play with the equalizer a bit just to get the correct sound on. You know, always gotta fix the EQ. You know, classic 90s hip hop. The world is yours. Traditional Lexus theme, blacked out gauges. Once you turn it on, comes to life. Now we're gonna start with the heart by popping the hood and opening the trunk. Also, you got a little thing for your change right here. And this button for your gas cap. No wires, just electrical relays. Gas caps on the left side. You could put high octane if you want. I just use regular because price of gas around these ends ain't that cheap. Hood's really easy to open. Damn, that's hot. Oh yeah, nice button to push. So yeah, 3-liter V6. This one has variable valve timing. It's pretty much the same engine as my previous vehicle, just mine didn't have the valve timing. So yeah, you got your air intake, your fuse box, your battery, your motor, radiator hose. It's the alternator. My previous car had a background. You can't really see the ground for this, but yeah, you know, it's Toyota or Lexus. Things run pretty well. Well, I forget this is a gas shock. No need for like the little hood stick. Close it. This car is very well insulated, very quiet, very sound. We popped the trunk one time. Or did I pop the trunk? Trunk in here is, don't mind the junk, but it's pretty spacious. You can fit like at least 2 to 3 golf bags in here. A big old body if you're into that type of stuff. Some luggage. The ride quality in this car is very smooth. It's not the sportiest car out there. It's no Acura and it's no Infiniti, but the ride comfort and the build quality, all that stuff doesn't matter. This thing rides like a lazy boy. Mad smooth, mad smooth. Has the engine has a bit of grunt, pretty torquey. It's not too loud. This thing kind of sounds. This thing roars like a domesticated cat. I'll go get that thing started for you. This thing also tells your temperature. You got a button for your AC. Mode. You want on your face, you want on your feet, you want on your windshield. You want it strictly to your feet. Face and your feet. Your face. And yeah, pretty much control the speed through here, control the temperature, push it all the way up, you get to the heat. It's gonna say hot. Luxury feature for this, it's a dual zone, so you could choose different temperatures for each, for the driver and for the right passenger side. Also has heated side mirrors and rear windows. Circulate off, and yeah, as you can see, station channels, you could see the message. Oh yeah, this car also has a 6-disc CD changer. It's no magazine on this one, it's just straight into the deck. Just load in, load out. Disc 5 eject. I was listening to disc 5, which is Elmatic classic album. Gonna load this back up. There you go. You could switch through the 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 through here. Let me shut this off and let me just rev that engine for you. Yeah, this isn't the loudest car in the world, but it's, like I said, it's no sports car. This car is strictly for ride comfort. This car excels on the highway like no other. Like, it treats the highway like nothing, bro. Road trips in this car is a blast, bro. I'm telling you. HID headlights, fog lights. It's a real 2000s type of vehicle. That's pretty much it for the luxury features. Yeah, that's pretty much it. ES300.